Hi everyone, welcome back to Thai Adventure and Investment. Today we're diving into something that's causing a lot of anxiety in Thailand, the mass freezing and locking of bank accounts. Whether you're an expat or a small business owner or just trying to manage your finances, this is something you need to know. In this video, we're going to discuss what's happening, why is it happening, who's affected, and what the government is saying, and what you can do if your account is frozen. So let's get started. So over the past few weeks, there have been numerous reports across Thailand of bank accounts being frozen, suspended, or locked. This move is part of a broad crackdown on mule accounts, suspicious activity, or even online scams. According to reports, up to 3 million accounts have been frozen or are under some form of restriction. Daily transfer limits have also been imposed in many banks as part of the anti scam measures. Many ordinary citizens, people trying to withdraw cash, pay bills, shop with cards or QR payments have been affected. Small businesses and online vendors are also hit. Funds are being frozen to disrupt daily operations or lead to inability to pay suppliers or staff. Foreign residents and expats are among those reporting being unable to access accounts, sometimes with very little explanation. Some banks have frozen entire accounts. In other cases, only suspicious transactions or amounts are held. Often people are notified only after their account is frozen or when trying to use ATM or digital transfers. In many cases, negative balances are showing up if the account amount frozen exceeds the available balance. Authorities say the crackdown is necessary to combat rising online scams, money laundering, and misuse of so called mule accounts. These are key tools for criminals to move illicit funds. Newer rules around identity verification, KYC, know your customer, visa status verification, and transaction monitoring have been tightened. The Bank of Thailand has acknowledged the problem and says it is working on solutions to avoid harming innocent people. One important promise: accounts that are proven innocent will be unfrozen quite quickly, in some cases within half a day. Also, there's underway coordination between banks, police, or technology crime suppression units and regulators to clarify procedures for freezing, unfreezing to speed up the process. Many feel these measures, though intended for fraud prevention, are being overly broad and causing real harm to people who are not involved in any wrongdoing. Lack of clear communication is a big issue. People often don't know why their account is frozen, what they need to do, or how long the freeze will last. Some legal experts are criticizing the measures as possibly violating due process, property rights, or rights of access if due verification or judicial oversight is bypassed. Economic ripple effects like cash withdrawals have spiked, some businesses refusing electronic payments. Overall, it undermines trust in banking and digital payments. Authorities seem to recognize that the current system has flaws and unintended harm, so improvements are coming. Clearer rules, faster review processes, better communication. Discussions are underway to limit freezes to only suspicious amounts rather than the full balance. There may be stricter guidelines imposed on banks and police for verifying innocence and unfreezing. How this affects expats long term? It may lead to stricter KYC, that is, know your customer, more frequent identity and visa checks, maybe more requirements for traceability of funds. That's the current picture. Thailand is in the middle of a major anti scam crackdown involving mass freezes and restrictions on bank accounts. While authorities are trying to target fraud, many ordinary people are caught in the process, dealing with blocked funds, uncertainty, and lack of clarity. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please click on the like and subscribe button.